Looky. Who want a cookie? Ordered some steering wheels. That's the hot 3D. So what I'm gonna be working on is stocking these joints, because when y'all want them, y'all want them. And when I say gotta order them, I say 2 weeks. Y'all here 2 days and shit. Start calling me right away. My boy, 2 weeks. Maybe. Posible. As you can see, I'm not making them here. I order them. And they make them to order. So what I'm gonna start doing is doubling up on the orders, so that when I need another one, it's caliente, it's ready. Boom. That's that 3D joint. This is going on, I don't know if you guys seen it from out west, that burgundy box Chevy Caprice Hearst, maroon, burgundy. Yes, your boy sold the 8s to him. Actually, about 2 sets of 8s. Cool cat. Oh, these go on top. Boom. That's one steering wheel. That's the 3D. I sent him a text that it arrived. He's very happy about it. This one's probably a 42. Oh, this is an Eagle. Oh, this is from my boy Sal over there. My boy Sal. The billet steering wheel is in. They did take a while. This one did take a hot minute. There was a lot of back and forth. Where's the order? Who's the order? Order. And there's the Eagle. Fresh. I'm gonna send him a text that the Eagle's here. Eagle has landed. Oh, I guess it only goes this way. Now I know. Boom. Got the Eagle. Now the Tupac does not have a steering wheel, so I'll rock this one, and there's another one, a 3-point, that I would rock on a Tupac, because they don't make a Billet Specialty doesn't make a Tupac steering wheel. That boy fell on his face. Dead. Okay, that's the Eagle joint. And we got one more. Hopefully this is the 42. Woo, 42. All 3 of you guys on my ass, boy. I feel you though. You order something, you're told a certain date, and you expect it. No problemo, no hard feelings. But you see everything is arriving. They arrive together. I don't know why. I order them separately. It be like that sometimes. And this is the 42 brush. I got a 43 on the way. That won't be for a couple more weeks. Ta-da! 42 brush. I did lose a couple of these as well. So that's another issue for the delay. A couple of these joints got lost. Got lost in a little fire, little bonfire. Somebody had to pick my shop as a bonfire right quick. Be alright. Steering wheels are in. Yeah. Everybody's getting notified. $1. Let me know if you need a steering wheel. Gratitude.